The Food Service Exchange presents
Slicer sharpening. The knife should be sharpened regularly in order to maintain productivity and to produce the highest quality slices. It is recommended that you wear cut-resistant gloves when sharpening the slicer. On models with a top-mounted sharpener, turn off the power and turn the thickness control dial to the minimum to fully close the fence prior to sharpening. On automatic units, make sure that the slicer is set to manual mode. Unplug the slicer and fully clean and dry the blade on both sides prior to sharpening. Slightly loosen the sharpener locking pin by turning the knob counterclockwise. Lift and rotate the sharpener 180 degrees so that the sharpening stones are facing forward with the blade between them. Retighten the sharpener locking pin. The sharpener should straighten out to fully align with the blade as the knob is tightened. Plug in the machine and turn the power on. Press and hold the button on the rear of the sharpener for 15 to 30 seconds to sharpen the blade. It is normal to see sparks. Then press and hold the button on the front of the sharpener for 1 to 3 seconds to hone the blade. Turn the slicer off and unplug the machine. Remove the sharpener. After sharpening, fully disassemble, clean, and sanitize the machine to remove grinding debris. Remember, clean, sharpen, clean, sanitize. Sharpening 1000 series slicers. Univex 1000 series slicers have a removable sharpener with a fence-mounted design. Important: always turn off the power and unplug the machine prior to sharpening. Loosen the sharpener locking knob assembly. Lift the sharpener assembly and place it on top of the fence. The body of the sharpener should face the front of the fence, and the mounting knob should face the rear of the fence. When sharpening 1000 series slicers, set the thickness control dial to the maximum thickness. Danger: use extreme caution around the exposed blade edge. Place your left hand on top of the sharpener and your right hand on the carriage handle. Carefully slide the carriage toward the blade until the sharpener locks into place. Tighten the mounting knob to secure the sharpener. Plug in the machine and turn the slicer on. To sharpen, turn the sharpener dial down to position 1 and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. It is normal to see sparks during sharpening. Return the sharpener dial to the center position. Next, hone the blade by turning the sharpener dial up to position 2 and hold for 1 to 3 seconds. Turn off the slicer and unplug the machine. Carefully hold the sharpener steady and loosen the mounting knob. Grasp the carriage handle and slide the carriage all the way toward you. Turn the thickness control dial all the way to the minimum to fully close the fence. Remove the sharpener. After sharpening, thoroughly disassemble, clean, and sanitize the slicer in order to remove grinding debris. Remember, clean, sharpen, clean, sanitize. Thanks for watching the Univex slicer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.